What's up everybody, Andrew Fredette back with another video. So as always, if you check the Neverland Supply Instagram, you would have seen the stuff I dropped yesterday. So this is going to be a closer look at that stuff. I'll show you guys what it looks like on, everything like that. As always, if you're new to the channel, everything you're about to see is for sale. Top link in the description. Also, just a reminder, the Neverland Spring Collection still on sale. You can still use code APF just for being a viewer, and that will get you 10% off your order. So I think that was all I had to say. Now let's get into the clothes. So if you guys know me, you know I usually stick to like the Japanese designers, but did happen to have a couple of Rick pieces laying around, so I figured I'd drop them this week. First up, we have some dark shadow denim. As you can hopefully tell on camera, they are waxed and skirted. It does have this skirt, kilt, whatever you want to call it, attached. Full denim underneath. It's not removable or anything, but you still have the pockets in the back. Kind of interesting, if you undo the button to the skirt right there, you can see the button fly is offset to the right a little bit, just a different construction, something to be noted. The color is black scrub. These are size small, they fit a 30 perfectly, even a 31. This denim actually has a good amount of stretch to it, which I wasn't really expecting. They're super long, it's like a 36 inseam, so they even stack a lot, like on me, and I'm 6'2". But besides that, it's a great statement piece. You wear this with any outfit, it's obviously gonna stand out. Some people, might not be a fan of the whole skirt thing, but I think it's cool. I think there's a lot of ways to make it look cool. Yeah, that's my speak. Anyways, more Rick stuff. So I have two pairs of Rick Owens shorts to show you guys. These are mainline, like I said. The denim was dark shadow. This pair is from fall winter 2015, the Sphinx collection, and they're in the color dark dust. As you can hopefully tell on camera with these, it is a velour-ish material. I'm not sure the exact breakdown of the materials because it's in like another language and I didn't translate it. Anyways, very soft to the touch. The inner liner is a different material though, so it doesn't get like super hot or anything. A really nice cut on the slight drop crotch. There isn't like too much of an inseam, as you can tell, but they sit super nice on you. A shorter short, but I'm a big fan of the fit. A different material up at the waistband. It's like a thin cotton. Got the classic Rick drawstrings, nice and long, two pockets, not much else to say. Super clean short. Fit like a 30 waist or up to probably a 32. Super hard. Next pair of Rick shorts. These are from the Spring Summer 16 Cyclops collection. These are in the color soft papaya, and they're a super lightweight, like silky satin material. They shimmer and whatnot. Super lightweight, like I said. Again, two pockets, the classic drawstrings. Not much else to say. Just a really clean pair of shorts. This one is cut a little different. As you can see, it's slightly less of a drop crotch. By the way, both of them do have side little slits right there. It's just something, little details that I appreciate, as you can see. Besides that, they fit slightly smaller than that pair. These can probably fit like a 28, but they also fit, up to a 30, 31, maybe even a 32. It just might be a little snug on the waist, but I think it could still work. Anyways, that's it for the Rick stuff. Just had those three bottoms. Got three tops to show you guys, some of the more typical brands you'll see me show. First up for tops, we have a clean Issey sweater. I believe this is from 2010. Super clean, like I said. I just love the chest pockets right here. They have the button, and then if you undo that, they have the zipper. I'm a big fan of the little loop zipper. Just thought it was a super clean jacket. Pockets down there as well. The cut of the back is sort of like a blazer or a jacket where it tapers a little bit. Just super nice piece, clean, wear it with something zipped or unzipped. And the material is a nice French terry cotton. Not much else to say about it. I considered making this one of the one-of-ones, as you guys saw in the last video, and throw a patch on right there. But I thought it was a clean piece as itself, so it's now available online. Next up, we have some Comme des Garçons This is from the early 90s, I can tell just from the tag. It's a super big Comme des Garçons shirt, which are hard to find. Unfortunately, this has already sold if you were interested, but just to go over some of the details, the body is a classic like dress material, thin cotton tee, but then these sleeves are super nice French terry like sweater material, like a hybrid shirt, very clean, not too loud, but still something that stands out with the different materials. Like I said, it's already sold, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. The last piece up, we have this Junya Watanabe sweater. It may seem like it's a shirt on camera, but it is a light sweater. This is a size small. It fits more like a medium though. I can fit it. It's from 2002, contrary to the print which says 2003, but if you look on the tag, it says 2002. Don't really know what that is. I guess maybe, you know, they produced it before it actually released. But as you can see, the graphic right there, spring summer 2003. I really wanted this sweater just because, I don't know, I've seen different versions. They've printed this graphic on different things, but I've also seen it on a Drake and Josh episode. Thought it was cool. Anyways, nothing on the back, just a really nice knit material. Raw edges though on the sleeves and the waist. Not much else to say. It's available right now. And that was the last piece for today. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'll be back next week with more pieces that'll be available to purchase, so stay tuned. Besides that, I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a nice day.